What is going on at 7 in the morning? What's all this noise about? What is it about? Really? Somebody took... Wow. Somebody took one of your Hot Wheels? Oh my goodness, let's go figure it out. Whoa. Oh. All right, come with me. Come in. Let's go figure out who was the culprit. Oh my goodness. Would you like a banana? Yes, please. Would you like some milk or anything to drink? Water or milk?
Milk.
Please.
Please.
Right.
No, I put it on this side with my hand.
Oh, over there, okay.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Where are you going today?
Beach.
The beach. Is Mama taking you?
And soon, she's also going to take one of my toys and my
Oh.
equals 5.
Huh.
2 toys.
What are you doing?
2 plus 3 equals
Today's beach day for Kaysen. Because Mom already took you, right, Cash?
Cash would be the fat on that.
Really? Look at her, she's got all the beach stuff ready. Oh man. Let's get going. But first we gotta get Cash to school. Let's go check the fishies. Oh, which one's your favorite, Case?
I
Huh?
like the big orange one with that one tie.
Yeah, he's cool. All right, let's get this.
Oh, that one.
Whoa, you're gonna see some fishies at the beach today. Let's drop brother off at school. Come on. Have you ever tried this stuff? It's not bad. Got the peach mango. Stole it from Truck and Wife Stash. She is off to the beach today. Had a little morning breakfast with the little guy. And then here's a video of them setting up shop and enjoying some of the last days of, I guess, summer, fall, kind of. It's supposed to be 81 out there today, so she had to take him because she took the biggest child on a single trip. Just her and him. Now she's taking this one on a single trip. Just her and the middle child. So here they are, and let's get going down to Florida.
How's it feel? Go ahead. He has been dying to smash the castle. Was that fun?
Yeah, let's make another one.
Gonna make another one? Okay.
With no water.
Well, if you ever come to South Carolina, that is a definite must-do. You need to go to Isle of Palms or Charleston. They're the same area, but Isle of Palms is a little more secluded. Charleston's beautiful, a lot of history, and the beaches they're not packed, but Isle of Palms is more private homes and they're just easy-going beaches. So got some beautiful weather for them today, some scattered sunshine with it's 82 degrees right now, so summer's not over yet, but it almost is. But he needed that. He's the middle child, and just need to keep him included because you get lost with your first child, always doing everything first with them, and then you kind of forget and don't have the same luster of it for the second or third child. So we try to be equal opportunity employers of our children. If that makes sense. We are on 95 now. We're going to be on this for another 500 miles. I might reach out to Barry, commercialtruckinsurance.com. Barry is my guy that got me on with my new premium for this year, and if he's available, I might stop by and see him for a quick bite to eat or something. So first we're going to fill up these tanks. I'm still on the same fuel I had going all the way down to Valdosta, and then back up, and then back over to Atlanta, and then back home, and then back to pick this up close to Atlanta, and then back to Savannah. So we still have, we're just barely under a quarter tank, so great fuel mileage, and we're getting 9.8, 9.9, just into 10 miles per gallon right now, cruising on average with this low, because it's only 1,000 pounds, so the truck's pretty much empty. Let's get down 95, and hopefully this weather holds up. It's beautiful. Get some fuel in this though. Back at exit 77. Okay, good, he pulled through. I was gonna say there's a trash can there, so I can't pull in there. But he pulled through, so he doesn't need fuel. That's good. Lucky for us. Except that, questionable on the fuel pump. Let's go check this thing out. Look at those clouds. We're supposed to have these seals not be broken, so we're gonna see about that when we get in there. See if this pump has been calibrated so we get our fair share of fuel. All right, let me get the other one open. This truck is purged. Purging is when the governor's release valve lets go. It's done it about 3 times now since I've been standing here. That's definitely got some leaks somewhere. 13. Yeah, it must just be I don't know about exit 77. I've never had a problem with their fuel. They got the best prices on 95, but there might be a reason why. Yikes. All right. Yeah, see, he just purged again. That's not good. You got an air leak somewhere. Pretty bad. All right, let's go see what this is about. I've never seen this, but the lights are green. We have a lady standing here stopping trucks. So let's see what this is about. Alright, no idea what that was. She has a Kia with stickers on it. I don't know what that is. Never seen that. But she did pull in the truck in front of me. He's going to inspection. I don't know. T's and P's for the blue 780 Volvo. I don't know what that was about. That's we're just about into Florida. That's our last checkpoint from Georgia, so I do not know. We made it down to exit 1. I'm gonna do a little bathroom break, clean this windshield, and get into Florida for the last leg of this. But I had a load last week, if you remember that, if you watch my channel, or our channel. I picked up a guy's trailer where his truck broke down. I went to the repair shop, and he just texted me, which was real nice. He was very, I could understand he was in a hard place because his truck just broke, but he was very appreciative. And check out this video.
As you can see, I just came to pick up my trailer. Since you dropped it here, and everything looks good, my friend. I thank you. And I appreciate you, man. Just got my truck back. And man, it cost me $9 grand to get my truck fixed. But all is well now. And trailer is in good condition. Just as you said you would leave it, man. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
If I ever had that situation, I pray that somebody would do that for me too. Just peace of mind that my trailer's okay. So. Crazy. It was $9,000 and he had a DPF problem, so make sure you stay on top of your sensors, buy the good DPF fluid that helps you save your sensors and stuff like that. So that's it, but that was nice that he sent that video to say that he was appreciative. So That was cool. Now, if you do something like that for somebody, send them a video, let them know where their trailer's at, let them know it's safe and sound. And I'm gonna get this window clean, kind of hard to do with just one hand. Well, you can't beat that view coming into Florida. A beautiful sunset off to the west. Welcome to Florida. And right as you get welcomed in, you get the Agricultural Inspection Center. While we go to the Agricultural Inspection Center, let's hear from Truckin' Wife. She's driving home right now. A beautiful day at that beach. Man, I wish I could have made that, but gotta work. We're very blessed that she's able to take that baby of ours, the middle child, and for her mom being able to watch the other two. So thank you, Gigi, for watching the kids. We're gonna get through the agricultural station. If you have been watching our channel, you already are subscribed. There's a giveaway going on if you don't already know about it. It's down there by my right mirror. Click that little arrow, bring down the description, and just Truckin' Wife will tell you about it. But all we ask is if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. If you are already subscribed, please share a video. Get the word out about our channel. We're trying to grow it, and that's why we do these giveaways, to help give back to you for all you do for us, and hopefully you like what we keep putting out.
Hi, just stopping in to tell you about our giveaway this month. We're going to be giving away a Rand McNally Dash Cam 500 and $100 cash. You know the drill. Just click that description button. A link will pop up. You can click that link and you can enter to win. We do ask that you please like and subscribe. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. But if you could head over to our Facebook and maybe share one of our videos from there, we'd really appreciate that as well. Good luck.
And that there's Truckin' Wife telling us about the giveaway. Thanks a lot, Truckin' Wife, and I hope you get home safe tonight. Got beautiful baby ears. Done with the Agricultural Center, just rolled through that, and now we're on to the weight station. There will be 3 weight stations coming in from the top of Florida on the eastern seaboard all the way down to West Palm. You'll hit this one, you'll hit one before you branch off Daytona, Orlando area. You'll hit one more coming down into West Palm and the Miami area. So, lots of weight stations, lots of traffic coming in and out of Florida. Let's see what we got today. So nice to have my Jake brakes back too. I missed them. But I really thought I had about $2,600 worth of parts if you wanted to get your rockers redone. That's what I thought the problem was. But it ended up being just thin oil, just bad oil. So it was a true blessing that I figured that out. Maintain 45, we're maintaining 40. Don't want to get too close to the Martin truck. He's hitting his brakes. Going right. What do we got? We're going right too. Is it not going to reset? Nope. We're going left. All right. There's weight station number 1 of 3 in Florida. Let's get on out of here. I really want to stop at exit 305 and get some of that pasta salad down there at the restaurant, but I need to get some sleep, so I'm just gonna get down there and reset, get some sleep. Let's see, should we go for getting ahead of the car hauler, or should we just cruise back? Let's just cruise back. Oh, he's got a nice Jaguar on the back. I like it, that white one. I like those wheels too. Make some cool cars these days. I just can't afford them. I'll stick with what I got. And that what is that, new Land Rover? It's kind of a, I'm gonna zoom in on that, kind of a different looking lights on the back. I haven't seen those yet. Gotta check those out. One on top. All right, let's get going. Have you ever seen such a beautiful sunset? I'm sure you have. Well, we're gonna wrap this video here. Glad my little boy got to go to the beach today. We've so far had safe travels, a little over halfway down to West Palm, and hopefully they can get this off the truck early. Man, it's pretty sunset. 9 a.m. delivery. I'm going to get there, and it looks like I can park there. There's no security gates, so we'll be there as early as they get there. And it's floor loaded, so it's big rolls of bubble wrap. So that's all I have in the back, 1,000 pounds of bubble wrap. And Monday night football, or not Monday night, what am I thinking? Thursday night football is actually right here where we're at, Jacksonville. The Jaguars are taking on the Dolphins. Not a really big fan of either of those teams, but I do like the quarterback for Jacksonville. He's got some spunk to him. He's got quite the character, so. I'll stop at my next stop at exit 305 and edit and get this video out to you guys. Thanks for everyone who subscribed and follows the channel and supports us. God bless you all, and we have a little something fun coming up next week that should be some good content too. And let's pray that we get something out of Savannah or Jacksonville tomorrow, because it'll be Friday, but I won't be able to get out of West Palm until a little bit later, so if there's something picking up late, maybe I'll grab it, but typically late night Friday, kind of hard to get load, so we shall see what we get. Know your worth, God bless, and pray for us to get some merchandise figured out. We're still working with this one vendor, but we haven't really made any progress with it. I mean, we're even thinking about just buying our own screen, what's it called, screen press, or maybe some vinyl, like a vinyl printer. I don't know. Anybody have any input on that kind of stuff? A good, decently priced one that we can kind of figure out on our own at home to do hats and work shirts and t-shirts, so, or hoodies also. Let us know. God bless, and we shall see you tomorrow.